name is Asher. I have a beagle named Rico who once saved my life. I wrote this true story with my parents to share with all dog lovers.
Stick with me until the end. I'm looking forward to your feedback then. My best friend, Rico. Rico's been here since the day I was born, greeting each day from the very first morn. My parents all say he's Asher's dog now, and he's my best buddy, the best, and bow wow. I saw a cool video from when I was small, how Rico protected me through it all. Since seeing that clip, our bond's grown so strong. He's been my protector all my life long. He's just like a brother, though here is the deal, I'm the big boss when it's time for a meal. Since I don't have a job, I'm still just a kid. Mom and Dad buy the food that in the pantry is hid. We go for a stroll every day, rain or shine, I carry the bags to keep the pots fine. It's a big responsibility, taking the lead, giving my doggy whatever he'll need. Rico's my best friend, my partner, my guide, I want him forever right by my side. My dream is to travel and see the whole world, with my favorite pup and his tail all curled.